So we got HelloFresh. I'm so excited to unbox this. I love me some HelloFresh. So it looks like they gave us some discounts. And then these are the meals that they sent. We have a beef fajita supreme, pan-seared scallops and lemon butter sauce, and a honey and thyme pork fillet. And then it comes with the instructions, the recipe on how to make them. So with me, I usually like to just take whatever they gave me and make my own thing. But I think this time I'm actually gonna make exactly what it comes with. These are the meals. They come in these cute little packages. Oh my gosh. So I got a cheesecake. Let's see how many they came with. Got it. And then they have the meat at the bottom. So this is the pork fillet. This is the scallops. And this is the ground beef for the pancheladas. The whatever that was. So yeah, I'm gonna put these away. So for the cheesecakes, I'm actually gonna do something really, really cool with the cheesecakes. I wonder if they can be baked. Because I actually want to do like a sugar coating at the top, broil it, and hopefully I don't mess it up because I've been craving, I forgot what that dessert is with the sugar on top, but I want to try to put that at the top of this and make it with that. I'm going to start incorporating what I would make my husband if I was married videos. I know I posted one and haven't posted one again, but it's okay because I'm back with it. And we have special offers in here. This looks like it's for men. So I'll probably give this to my dad or something. Foaming shave gel, I'll probably give this to my dad. Let's see what else they have in here. Oh, gift-free chicken wings for life. Oh, this is cute. And it comes with a discount code, so that's really fire. I think I might give these to my dad because my dad is like a chicken head. He's obsessed with chicken. Excited. Thank you so much, HelloFresh, for my box. I'm also gonna do a giveaway of a box because they do give you that option to give away a free box to a friend. So I'm gonna refer one of my boxes to someone. And make sure you guys go ahead and go on HelloFresh.com, get you a new box. Give HelloFresh a try, guys. They supply you with up to 6 meals per week, depending on your household and what you choose. And then from there, you'll be able to make all different types of recipes. I actually save a lot of the recipes that they send in, and I keep them in case there's like a day I feel like cooking something and I don't really know what I want to make. I have like these, so I actually save these. So it's actually a really cool investment. It's a very great alternative, especially if you're the type of person that needs help with cooking. Everything is already measured out. It usually takes up to the most 30 minutes to cook these meals. It's very easy to use. If you're interested in HelloFresh, make sure you click the link in the description box, order you one, and I will see you guys next video when I start my what I will make my husband if I'm married. See you guys next time, and remember, I love you, but God loves you more.